Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to JupyterLab tips for scalable notebooks, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Go to the JupyterLab website. If you don't have JupyterLab installed, navigate to the installation section. Follow the instructions to install JupyterLab on your system. Once installed, launch JupyterLab. You will see the main JupyterLab interface. To find scalable notebook tips, open a new tab in the interface. Navigate to the Help menu at the top. Click on User Settings. In the drop-down, locate the section labeled Extensions. Search for scalable notebooks in the extension marketplace. Once you find it, click on the Install button. After the installation is complete, return to the main interface. Go to the File menu and select New Launcher. In the launcher, choose Notebook to create a new notebook. To access the tips, look for the newly installed extension in the sidebar. Click on it to open a panel with scalable notebook tips. These tips will help you with best practices for using JupyterLab effectively. Explore the various features highlighted in the tips. Experiment with the techniques shared to make your notebooks more efficient. Make sure to save your work frequently. You can later refer back to the tips as needed. Continue practicing and implementing the tips you learn. This will enhance your JupyterLab experience significantly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.